Can I make one crazy prediction? So I just shot a real estate video, okay, at the house. And we had our research team pull up a bunch of data because I'm talking to a lot of realtors, loan officers, mortgage brokers, title, escrow, a lot of these guys. And the video that was made when we called that Dave Ramsey a lot, I cannot believe you're saying this. And well, you know, no problem. You don't have to listen to it. I'm just telling you it's what we did. Can I tell you a crazy stat? Q1 this year over Q1 last year. What percentage do you think foreclosures in America have increased Q1 this year over Q1 last year? 10%? How much do you think foreclosures have increased Q1 of this year over Q1 of last year? 15%? What would you say? Just guess. That's a lot, by the way. Yeah. 20%? I don't know. Pick the number.
From last year to
last year Q1 versus this year Q1, how much you think? And by the way, Q1, the rates were still okay. The rates have gone up the last 2 months is what's happened. That's been kind of scary. How much you think it increased foreclosures?
I'll say 20%.
What are you going to say?
North of that.
You're going to say, you wrote 40%?
Yeah.
How about 700%?
What?
Q1, 23,000 foreclosures. Last year we had around 2,500 to 3,000 foreclosures. Did you hear what I just said? And by the way, it hasn't even started yet. Man. And it's 700% foreclosures Q1. The data we got on what buyers are doing, what investors are doing, what escrow people are doing, what loan officers don't do. I mean, that video is going to be coming out here in the next week. I think we're going to be doing a live real estate webinar. I think it's going to be next Tuesday night. Stay tuned. The details will be made. This will be packed. Everybody will be on this webinar when this goes out next Tuesday. Here's a crazy prediction for you. People don't want to hear it. I think 30-year fixed mortgage rates will eventually get to 10% in the next 6, 12, 18 months. Okay? We said gas prices $10. Mm-hmm. That's one side. Okay? That's becoming more and more possible that it could happen. California's $7, $8 prices over there. Interest rates, 30-year fixed. Don't be surprised if they crack 10%. Now, all this stuff being said and done, you're going to see a lot of mess happening. My biggest suggestion to you, I'm telling you, don't overspend. Save your cash. Go make income. Have a secondary income. Set that money aside. There's going to be a lot of opportunities. And there's unfortunately going to be some people that are going to be asking their, hey, can I get this job? Can I get that job? Who had a few $100,000 in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. They're going to go through that. This is going to be a very strange next 6, 12, 18, 24.
And by the way, for the people that are like, Pat's crazy, he doesn't know what he's talking about.
I'm okay with that.
Just, if you don't study history, you're doomed to repeat it. This is exactly what happened in the late 70s, early 80s under your friend, Jimmy Carter.